Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, as promised, I did promise to you to re-record again chapter tutorial 7, which is on utility maximization. Alright, we have two questions here. The first one is discussion number 1, and the second one is the problem number 4. Okay, what is the question here? Alright, first you need to complete the following table and answer the question below. Alright, okay, the first is 0, 10, and they ask you to find here what is this. Alright, what is the value? Okay, 10 plus 8 equal to 18. Okay, 18 plus y come to 25. Okay, this is more or less about the calculation. So when we call that is total utility, okay, this one is total, and marginal utility is the changes. Okay, changes of the marginal utility of the total utility, meaning that you have to minus 10 minus 10 minus 0, you got 10 here. Alright, 18 minus 10, you will get 8 here. 25 minus 18, you will get 7 here. 30 minus 25, you get 5 here. And 33 minus 30, you will get 3 here. 34 minus 33, you will get 1 here. So that is how you make and full this table. Alright, okay, now the question number 1 is, at which rate is total utility increasing? A constant rate, a decreasing rate, or any increasing rate? How do you know? Okay, as you can see here, the missing total utility data. Alright, wait. So this is a decreasing trend. Okay, as you can see here, because marginal utility is declining, so we can call it as the decreasing rate. Okay, decreasing rate. Why decreasing rate? Because the marginal utility is decreasing, because it's 10, 8, 7, 5, 3, 1. So it's decreasing trend. Alright, number B is, a rational consumer will purchase only 1 unit of the product represented by this data because that amount maximizes marginal utility. Do you agree? Why and why not? Okay, we disagree. Why? Because the marginal utility of a unit beyond the first may be sufficiently great to make it as worthwhile purchase. Alright, so consumers are interested in maximizing total utility, not total marginal utility. Alright, remember the word is consumers are interested in maximizing total utility, not the marginal utility. So we have to disagree with this one. Okay, so next is it possible that a rational consumer will not purchase any units of the product represented by this data? Do you agree? Why and why not? Agree. Okay, so the answer is agree. So this product price could be so high relative to the first unit marginal utility that the consumer will buy none of it. Alright, so that is the answer for number C. Now let's move to the problems 4. Okay, this problem 4 is about they ask you from column 1 through 4 in the table below, show the marginal utility measured in util that Ricardo would get by purchasing various amounts of product A, B, C, and D. So this is representing for the product A, this is representing for product B, C, and D. Alright. And the column 5, show the marginal utility Ricardo get from saving. So this one is solely for saving. Okay, assume that the prices of A, B, C, and D are respectively 18, 6, 4, and 24. Okay, so this is the price given. Alright, and then Ricardo has incomes of 106. So the income is equal to $106. Alright. So the question here asks us about what quantities of A, B, C, and D will Ricardo purchase to maximize his utility. Okay. The answer is, in order to maximize the utility, Ricardo will purchase 4 unit of good A. Okay, 4 unit of good A. And then 3 unit of good B. 3 unit of good C. And 0 unit of good D. Alright. So meaning that. Okay. So this is the quantity of A, B, C, and D that Ricardo will purchase in maximizing his utility. Okay, his utility. Because he has 106 just now, remember? So this is the maximum things that he can buy from all A, B, C, D. Alright, now how many dollar will Ricardo choose to save? Okay, number B, you have to multiply. Like the price multiply by, okay, price multiply by marginal, multiply by the unit. Okay, price multiply by the unit. Like we said earlier, price for product A is 80. So 80 multiply by alright, 1, okay, sorry. How many dollar will Ricardo choose to save? How many dollar? Only $4. Alright. Only $4. Okay, right? Because, okay, so we calculate like this. Okay. 80 multiplied by 4. Alright. Plus with 3 multiplied by 6. Alright. Plus with 3 multiplied by 4. Plus with 0 multiplied by 24. So the answer is $4. So the questions checked or answered by substituting them into algebraic segments of utility maximizing rule. So this is the answer. Alright. Now this is equal to 106. Right? Alright. Alright, so that's all for this question. Assalamualaikum.